Nobody wants to pay a high interest rate, right? So how do you get the best loan deal? Well, it's simple. You ask. Talk to a few different mortgage lenders. Here's the thing. When it comes to interest rates, not all lenders are the same. Sometimes you see online offers that seem too good to be true. They might advertise a 4% rate while everyone else is at 6%. But here's the catch. They're hiding extra fees to make up for it. To make sure you're getting a best deal, talk to 3 or 4 different lenders and ask for a good faith estimate. This estimate shows you all the costs involved, the interest rate, and how much money they're making on it. Plus, they might have ways to lower the rate. So remember, the key to getting the best deal is simple. Just ask for it. Tell the lender you want the best rate and the service they can offer, and see what they can do for you. It's worth a try.